Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for joining me as usual. Finally, I'm bringing you guys the series I have been promising you. Like I said in the last video, this year I took some time out, came to my parents' home, and I just did a whole house renovation. Hashtag parents' house renovation. Guys, it has been quite a journey, exhausting, but worth it. Today, you get to see part one of it. I did the guest bathroom, and in the following weeks, over the next 2 months, I would say, you will see me move from doing the dining, the lounge, upholstering chairs, bedroom makeover, everything. I hope you are literally gonna tag along for this one. So remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get to see all these videos as and when they come live on YouTube. All right. So today we're doing the guest bathroom makeover. Watch it. Let me know how it looks. Comment, please. Go down to the comment section and just comment and let me know what you think about it. Cool. See you in the next video. This is how the bathroom looks before I started working on it. Guys, it was white. Let me tell the truth, I used to actually like this bathroom. It was pure, it was clean, but now I'm just like, white. I'm giving you a 360 spin. White, white. Yep, that's me. It's just too bland. So I'm deciding to just add a bit of color to it. Yes, the white will stay. The idea is to have 3 shelves at the back of this door. So I'm going to just drill in 3 shelves here, and I will decorate them and put some little pieces just to make the place a bit more homely. And also I'm going to put another shelf right above that toilet. What I also want to do is just to bring a bit of color. All these pipings I'm going to actually also spray paint gold. Alright, so have one last look at blend white toilet. To start the project, I got this piece of wood. This I bought at Builders, and it wasn't cut for me, but you can actually get it cut for yourselves. I this is actually what they did cut it for me, but this was too big, so we decided to go halfway because we don't want it to take too much space in the toilet. I have to tell you, cutting this ourselves with this was not the easiest thing. It took a lot of manual work. So this is me starting this process, and it might look easy. I had to go in there for quite a while.
Alright, guys, this is the final reveal. I love this. Look at that. One thing I didn't show you is that we actually got to paint the top part of the wall that didn't have any tiling. It makes a huge difference. What it does is that it just brings some warmth to the place when you look in, instead of having this whole white effect from tile all the way to the ceiling. That blue just, it makes the place slightly smaller and a bit warmer. And can you see the pipings? I spray painted the piping behind the toilet, the piping behind the sink, and that the rail has also been spray painted. The window butler bars have been spray painted gold, and also that towel hoop here. Everything, little details. I think it's cute. I think it's beautiful. I think it's popping in a subtle way. It's not too much. It just makes the place a bit more personal. Maybe I went crazy for a bathroom, but for me, this is a place where I just like being comfortable. And that's how the three shelves look. Remember this soap dispenser holder? If you guys have not seen the video for it, I will link it somewhere in the description box, or actually attach it somewhere at the top. But you can actually go see how I make that soap and lotion dispenser, because as I described in the video, I was not happy with the size of the sink. The sink was too small and we didn't have space to put the soap. Oh, well, we did put a soap dispenser there, but it just didn't look nice. I'm happy with this new look here. That, for me, was the winner. Again, that plant you saw in the before video, spray painted it, and I did not buy any single thing for these shelvings. I just used things that we already have in the house. The whole point was spend as little as possible and utilize as much of the things that you already have. And this is how the shelving and the whole bathroom looks from the viewpoint of a person sitting on the toilet. I'm loving it. I am really proud of this project. For me, it was a winner. It was a beautiful kickstart to this parents' renovation, and my parents love it, guys. My parents love it. I hope you love it, and I hope you will let me know what you think about it in the comment section, guys. Please drop something, say something. Let's share ideas. Let's share comments. There we go.